What is that? Try not to get me. Is that jello? Oh, is that cold? What is that? Huh? Happy birthday, dear Hunter. Happy birthday to you. You're half a year old. Oh, you're going for the cupcake. Hannah's going to have to clean up, Hunter. So we have Jello and cupcake and whipped cream.
He's gonna have a good poop.
Happy birthday to you. Who's your big boy? Hunter is. Hunter is a big boy. You got your hat on your ears there.
I think that wasn't Sarah that called.
No, that was Stephanie. What did Stephanie want?
Oh, enroll me to see if I wanted to go to softball.
Today?
Oh, can't hand it out. It's not her birthday.
Hey!
Can't, it's not her birthday.
Hey! Woo!
It's my birthday and a party about you.
Hunter!
Say hi, Mommy. Hi, Daddy. Say, nobody's getting any of my cake but me. How come my grandpa let me kick it on the side?
What are you doing, sweet boy? Oh, goodness.
Is that a sneeze or gaggle?
A cough.
I think that's funny.
We're going to have a pretty good sugar high going here in a second.
Hunter! He's 6 months old. 6 months and 8 hours old. Or 9 hours old.
Want some more? You got most of it on your face.
Okay. Well, that's over 2 minutes. That's
Okay.
I think that's enough.
Okay. Don't put it in his mouth, folks.
Say bye-bye, Mama. Say bye-bye, Mama.
Say bye-bye, Mommy.
He really likes whipped cream.